Kids, we have been talking about continents moving around, which means the oceans looked different, the mountains looked different. And remember when the dinosaurs were running around, they were all the way into the Arctic Circle, which means the Arctic was not a desert at the time. And you say, what is the Arctic, a desert? Well, remember, desert is where there is very little rain. We keep saying rain, but actually the word is a precipitation, which includes ice and snow as well. And remember, Arctic and the Antarctic get a lot of snow as a main form of precipitation, but that amount of snow is so small that both the Arctic and the Antarctic qualify as deserts. In the past, they had been ice-free. Just 5,000 years or so ago, Arctic was ice-free. For Antarctica to be ice-free, you have to go back some 35 million years ago. So as continents moved around, the channels opened and closed. The Isthmus of Panama is now closed. We have the Panama Canal, which is artificially created, but it used to be open. The Drake Passage, which is between South American tip, southern tip, and Antarctica, was closed at some point. It opened and created a different circulation in the Southern Ocean and so on. So not only has climate changed, but as geology kept on creating new mountains and new deserts and new oceans, climate has changed all the time, and it allowed life forms to evolve. And then, of course, if you have a meteorite crash like what killed the dinosaurs, then you end up with a crater. The Yucatan Peninsula has the Chicxulub crater that we think was created when the meteorite that crashed and killed the dinosaurs created the crater. Okay, so imagine someone like Alfred Wegener proposing that the continents actually moved around. People thought he was crazy, but he was right. In the end, all the evidences pointed to the fact that continents in fact do move, and they have moved in the past. By the time they confirmed it with science, unfortunately, Wegener was dead. So don't be too scared of proposing crazy ideas if you have some confidence that you are right. So just focus on doing fun things in life, and it starts by learning things like this. Geology is a beautiful topic. Life, biology, genetics, everything is beautiful. And how climate changes is, of course, beautiful. But now it's a big part of your future. So you want to keep an eye on how climate is changing and what it means for your own future. Okay? See you in the next